Blackheads are small bumps that appear on your skin due to clogged hair follicles. These bumps are called blackheads because the surface looks dark or black. Blackheads are a mild type of acne that usually form on the face, but they can also appear on the following body parts: back, chest, neck, arms, shoulders. Today in this video, I will share home remedy for blackheads. All you need to do is to mix a tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water. Apply this paste for about 15 to 20 minutes, and wash it off with lukewarm water. Baking soda is a natural exfoliator, and its antibacterial properties keep the chances of any irritation and infection at bay. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.